Hi everyone, welcome to Build in Public with Jahid. Today I'm going to build an app with Supabase and Newly and also have an AI chatbot. So we're going to actually have API integrated in Supabase. So I'm going to show you how to add API keys in Supabase and also have AI powered apps with Newly and having the Supabase as a backend and database. So let's just start building and let's see how I'm going to do this. So let's just start. Perfect. So we come at Newly, we just write out our app idea. Build an AI powered app that works as a daily workout advisor. So we are just writing a very simple prompt. We gave it a go to Newly, and we're watching how it's being built. And we're going to use Supabase as a backend. And for Supabase, we actually have to find the API key and also integrate that. So I'm going to show you how to find the API key, but also how to add it. So, and then you can add any other API keys which you want for video generation, for voice, for payment, for anything. So this is going to be more of a walkthrough on how to actually add an API key if you're using Supabase as a backend and database for your app. So let's wait and see. Newly is working on building the app for us. It's setting up everything, and then once it's ready, then we can actually start seeing how it works. And once we're confirmed, once we're okay with how the app works, we can integrate the backend, the Supabase, and then we will add the API key, and then we'll see if the AI chat is actually working and if it's using the right AI API key which we are given. So let's wait and let's see how it's happening. And thanks for watching. Just let me know what you're building. If you have any app idea that you want me to build or any content that you want me to actually go step by step through the whole process, just let me know in the comments and then I'm going to do that for you. And I hope you're building apps and also doing marketing for your app. So once you build the app, you just actually need to market the app and get customers. So you just need to find out your users and just find them. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do also, I'm gonna connect the Supabase here already now because while agent is working. So I'm gonna do that. Let's come to Supabase. Let's connect the Supabase here with my app. I'm gonna use this. Authorize it. So we're good. No, I'm gonna connect with the. Let's see which project is actually open here. Let's try with this. Let's look if this project is actually alive. Okay. So let's resume this project. So actually, it's a live. It's live one. Um, yeah. But of course, you can also kind of create a new project based on if you have um, anything here. But yeah, so we are connected with this one. So, but yeah, I just did it in case AI is actually building. So I already have the Supabase connected, so it wouldn't struggle with finding where the database is connected. Because once you're asking AI, okay, build me an AI powered app, so it actually needs to check out and build the backend, and that's where if you have a Supabase already connected, it's good because AI understands okay, Supabase is connected. I'm using that for the backend, so it just actually builds the backend around that. And here we have it. So nice. It's gonna be alive. And yeah, still Supabase has some technical issues, so let's hope it actually is solved. So here is our app. We have onboarding questions. Beginner, let's continue. I want to lose weight. What equipments do you have? No equipments. I want to do it at least 4 days per week. Okay, yeah, I need to get API key. So even here, it says me that, hey, go get the API key. So then we can actually generate you some plans, which is fine. And also here it says that, hey, get a free API key at OpenRouter. So actually, if you come here at OpenRouter .ai app, here, You can actually get a free API key which has some daily limits, and you can kind of use one of these keys, and then you actually have AI powered app. So come to OpenRouter AI and just like try to sign up, and then you will be able to have an API key for your app. So yeah, you just come here. I sign up. This is my account. I haven't done any activity yet, so nothing here. These are the API keys. I'm gonna generate an API key once the app is ready. So in a few seconds from now. Perfect. So here's our app ready. So the agent newly stopped building, and now we just need to actually connect the backend and also add the API key. So I'm gonna show you how to do that now. So it's loading the app. So let's wait. Perfect. So here is the home history and the AI coach. So we come to OpenRouter. I created my account. I come here at API keys. I'm gonna create an API key, which I have here. So I'm gonna call it API key workout. Then I'm gonna put the limit, like $5, let's say. It's like never. Um, yeah, let's create the key. So this is my key. Perfect. And then once I have the key which I copied, I come to Supabase here. I go to the dashboard. I find the project, which here it is. I come to H functions, and from here I will find secrets. So secrets are where you actually store the keys. So I'm gonna put the value here. Of course, I'm gonna delete this key because you're seeing it on video. It's fine. So I'm gonna actually put this key, and then I'm gonna say API key workout. So I'm gonna save this. Perfect. So I have saved this, and here it is. So I'm gonna just go and say to newly that I connected the Supabase, also added the API key for OpenRouter called API key workout. Please connect my app with that API key. Let's go. So this is just simple prompt. We copied the key from our OpenRouter account, which is for free. Then we come to each function, and then we just come to secrets. We just add the value, we just add the name, and then we save it. And then we ask Newly to actually build the connection. So you can actually use any AI tool that you want for video, for text, for voice, or for anything. So you just follow these steps, and you have um, API key integrated in your app. And this is as simple as this. So you don't need to actually worry about it. So this is a walkthrough that shows you that it's actually easy. Um, so let's see how it goes, and then we'll try out the app and then see if it actually works or not. So now the second thing is that we should make sure that the app is actually working and the AI API is integrated well. Perfect. So actually, the API key is integrated. So this is the homepage, today's one. So we can actually start the workout. So this is, let's see how it works. It's loading. Yeah. So here we can see, for example, the body weight squats. And then like here, like we have, the push-ups, standing, plank, and other things. So this is kind of quite nice. And we have 3 sets all the time. And also here is a simple explanation on how to do it. So this is good for today one. Then here is like we can start a session, and here is our AI coach. So we can actually see if the AI is here. So, but what's happening here, because my phone is recording as a camera there, so I cannot see the app on Xbogo. So actually, I just because the chat, the tab is not letting me to write. So I'm gonna actually fix this UI issue, and then I'm gonna test it out if what we did with OpenAI with API key is actually working or not. Let me fix this on the web version. I cannot use the the chat box because the tabs are not letting me in. Please fix this UI issue. So let's go. Also, once the API key is connected, it actually tells you what API key it's using. So it's using the Gemini 2.0 Flash for free. And also it has a fallback to ChatGPT 4.0 Mini. So it's using these two models. So it uses Gemini first, and if Gemini fails, then it's actually going to call ChatGPT AI and then kind of like use that. So let's fix this, and then we'll see, and like we will test it out if it's actually working out or not. But it's kind of quite nice. So we have this here, and it's for 30 minutes, five exercises, and it's all AI generated. I'm gonna try out the AI coach here in the chat. So let's see. Yeah, so this is fixed. Now it's loading. Um, let's wait for a few seconds. Perfect. So here is our chat. So let's write, I had 4 eggs today. How many minutes should I walk to make up for that? So let's see. I'm asking. Nice. So actually, it does work. So AI is there. It actually calculated the calories, and to burn that calorie, we actually need to walk for 30 minutes. Yeah. So for 30 to 40 minutes, we should walk. Then we'll be good. So, and we can ask more about what should I eat for lunch to be healthy. Let's go. For a healthy lunch, try a large salad, with greens, colorful vegetables. So I think this is working. And also, we might see here, if you come on the profile. Yes, so we see, for example, here, it actually used the ChatGPT Mini, and we used 1 cent on this call. Actually, less than 1 cent. So this is 0.01 cent. So yeah, and you can see, for example, it's working. So you can actually make sure that is it working or not. You can also check the OpenRouter, and you can see if the usage is happening. And actually, it used. So and we are chatting, with AI, and then actually it's consuming um, AI here, and you can see that. So this is how you're actually adding, AI API keys or any API key in your app. So you just go to the H functions, you find secrets, you add it, and then you ask newly to connect it, and you're good to go, and that's it. So I hope you learn how to add API key or any API key in your apps, which are built by Newly through Supabase. So go build your app. Good luck, and see you very soon. Bye bye. Take care.